Wait. Let's go. Thank you for calling. My name is Jay. How may I help you? Hello, nasa puso ako po bahay namin. Nakalit na po ako ngayon ng lalakbay bilang si Kaya Pagkalitan Jr. At nasa sarapan ako dito sa Vertis North. Mas maganda pa dito kaysa sa Eastwood. Para akong nasa ibang bansa. Para akong nasa England. Walking right now. Because I know that I love walking. Sandali. Wow, wag kang bastos boy. Okay, don't. Want to find, I want to eat right now. And I know what to eat. Siguro, ito na lang. Wait. Oh, got blurred. Ba? Oh, ito pala. Ito. So, ano tayo? Done. Vertis North. Kulit dito kasi may time zone. Ito, meron ng archery dito. Pero, yan. Pero gusto ko i-try. Pero saka na pag nag-tube, pag nakaroon ng 500,000 subscriber. Nasaan ang aking bahay? Doon ang aking bahay. Ay, kasi city dito eh. Jan Zeda. Bakit putol yung hyper tower doon? Inside Out 3. Here we go. Joy. Anxiety. Anger. Sadness. Embarrassment. Fear. In boredom, whatever, disgust, envy. Well, that's the video for today. Mag-hi ka.
Hello, si Kemba.
In English.
Hi to
With
Kemba.
British accent.
Dami naman